Hi everyone, my name is Hamdalori and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I have my very good friend Wyeth helping me out, and I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial on her. So I've created the base already, and you can check out the video for that one on the upper right corner of this video. So do check that out. So let's start with the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by brushing Wyeth's brows using a spoolie, just so I would see what kind of shape I'm going to do with her brows. So as you can see, she has a very soft arch, and I'm basically just going to follow that during the application. So once you've brushed and you see the shape that you want to go for, I'm going to start by applying MAC Fluidline to create a waterproof brow for Wyeth. So I'm going to start by applying the shade Redhead on the base of her lashes. So what this is going to do is it's going to create dimension on her brows. I don't want to use just one single color. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using 3 colors to create dimension on her eyebrows. Once that's done, I'm going to blur out the edges by using the spoolie. We're trying to achieve a more natural brow and not the Instagram very carved out eyebrows. So this time, from the middle part of her brows up to the tail, I'm going to be using the shade True Brunette, and I'm going to use very, very light strokes, and I'm going to start on the tail. I'm then going to blend the darker color into the very first color that I applied, so they're going to create a very seamless transition. Now once I've mapped out the shape, I'm going to blend it using a spoolie so that the hard edges would be blended out. And for the last step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this MAC eyebrow pencil in Spike, and I'm going to create a bit more dimension by applying a darker color on the base of her brows. What this is going to do is it's going to create the illusion that it has a shadow underneath so that it won't look like drawn brows. Then using the spoolie, I'm going to blend it so that it's not very visible that it's a line drawn underneath. Okay, and once you're done, all you need to do is to just brush the hair of the brows once more to see if you've mapped out the shape that you want to create, and it's going to set everything in place. All you need to do is to apply a brow gel after doing this. So that was Wyeth with a simple brow tutorial. I hope that it was easy for you guys to follow. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates every time I upload a new video. So all my social media accounts is going to be listed at the bottom of the screen so that you can interact with me and I would know what type of tutorials you would want to see. So I hope to see you on my next video, guys. Bye!